Hi everyone, hope you all are well and safe. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a tutorial for special occasion of Eid this year. I have created a brownie golden look and thought it will be suited for this occasion. This is the final look, let's get started. Now whenever you are working for bright colors, it really helps to lay down a base, and I am using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium. For blending the concealer, I am using a damp makeup sponge. Make sure that your sponge is damp, not wet. Then I am going to use a little bit of loose powder. This one is from Lakme 9 to 5 Flawless Matte Complexion Compact to set my concealer. I don't normally use a lot of powder, but if you don't want your makeup last for long and really in pictures, so powder is important. Next, for contouring, I am using CAL Chiseled Corrective Concealer Wheel in the shade 01. I will link all the products in the description box below. You guys can check it out. I have bought it from Nykaa.com. I am going to do some very gentle contouring just to add little bit of structure to my face. Then I am blending it with the oval brush just to add definition to my nose area, chin and forehead area. Then to bake my eye area, I am using Makeup Revolution baking powder in the shade Lace. So for today's eye makeup, I am using Morphe James Charles eyeshadow palette. From this palette, I am using a brownie peachy eyeshadow color. I am using this color on my outer crease area and blending it with a blending brush. So from this palette I am using a true brown eyeshadow color and adding it to my outer crease area to make more definition to the eyes. Then I am blending these two eyeshadow very well to make sure that the two eyeshadow blends very well. Now to highlight the center of my eyes, I am using Makeup Revolution highlighter palette and blending it with a brush. Now to highlight the inner corner of my eyes, I am using this color from the same palette and using a brush to highlight the point. I am using this highlighter to my brow bone also to highlight the point. Now it's time for my eyebrows. I am filling the gaps from a eyebrow palette. Now this step makes a big difference for the eye makeup, and you can guys see how it differs after filling my eyebrows. Now I am removing all the excess eyeshadow powders and baking powders which has left under my eyes. So here I am using a baby pink blush, and it is really a high pigmented blush. To add more glittery on my eyes, I am using this glitter eyeshadow palette and using this golden eyeshadow in my inner corner of my eyes. For the eyeliner, I am using Lakme Absolute Shine Line eyeliner, and in today's look I am using a winged eyeliner, and it's not too thin and or not too thick. So to look more dramatic to my eyes, I'm using Nykaa I Am Kajal, and I really know all the women, especially for Eid occasion, wants to wear kajal, and yes, I really love this step. So here I am not using false lashes because I don't want to add more falsies as I could not carry them. But if you want, then obviously use false lashes, and I want eyes more natural. I'm using L'Oreal mascara just to open up my eyes, bring the focus back to my eyes. For the highlighter, I'm using same from the Makeup Revolution highlighter palette. I'm using my fingers and brush too to highlight all the points of my face. So for today's lips, I'm using these two shades. First one is from Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color in the shade Wine and Dine. Next one is from Nykaa and in the shade Cleopatra 08. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this bright colorful look. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I will see you in my next video soon. Till then, Eid Mubarak to all and bye.